the other company which posted results was HUL. Mangalam is back with us to take us through how the numbers look this time. Mangalam definitely looks like a miss coming through.
It was a miss coming in from Hindustan Unilever in their first quarter. In fact, those who were looking for some sort of solace coming in from management commentary wasn't there as well, because the management commentary was mixed too. At the same time, if you just take a look at the numbers across all parameters, it was a miss from the top line itself. The revenue grew about 6%. The street was working with a number of around 8.5% and that revenue growth was lower because of volumes that grew just 3% versus a CNBC-TV18 poll of 5 to 6% as well. Yes, the gross margins expanded more than what the street was anticipating, but the company plowed that back into spending more on advertisements and other expenses, as a result of which the margins and the net profit were lower as well. And the company said that going forward, they do see competitive intensity increase. So that is something that we'll have to watch out for. If you just take a look at the reported numbers, 15,148 crores on the top line. The street was working with a number closer to 15,500 crores, and that flew through to the bottom line in terms of a miss as well. In terms of the segments that did well for them, it was home care that grew in 10%, but weak performance coming in both beauty and personal care as well as the food and refreshments business weighed down on the overall performance. And the management said in mass categories, there has been competitive intensity. Even as consumer sentiment has improved, rural still lags, and there is something we'll have to watch out for over the next couple of quarters. And to that extent, they will reinvest all their gross margin savings into ad spends. So EBITDA margins are not likely to expand further from here on as well. Brokerages have downgraded the stock.
All right, Mangalam, thanks a lot for taking us through all of those details. This is the other big stock to watch for. And finally,